I'm going to walk through the first steps of the tutorial in exercise 5. I've already got the ArcPro project open, so I guess I've done step 1 on page 83. Moving to step 2, I'm going to add in the catalog pane. So I go to the View tab, Catalog pane, and expand the folders and tutorial. There we see our geodatabases as well as the shapefiles here. Now these shapefiles, we're going to create a new group layer over here. Oleander property, call it source data group layer. I'm going to take these parcel line source, and just drag them over. Just be careful that you drop them right on the source data group layer. That moves us to step 5, opening up the geoprocessing pane. That's also on the View tab. Search for the Append tool. Now here the input data set is going to be that parcel source, target data set, property ownership, and for field matching type, let's see, I'm going to use the field map to reconcile differences. So the example that they give in step 8, page 85 here, as you click subname, then add new source, and map it to prop des 1. After you do that, you go down to the bottom of that drop-down and add selected, and you'll see it here. They also have you indicate that the subtype it's going into is platted property. And now what you can do, that I note, the book doesn't have this, is add an expression where plat status is equal to 1. Thinking about it, I'm not sure it's strictly required here, because maybe even if you're adding more in, it can be overwritten later. This being the kind of your turn on page 87. But then after you map the prop des 1 field to subname here in the output field, the work that's asked of you in the your turn section between those green lines on page 86 in the text has you go through here. And then again, make sure the subtype for that first run is going to be platted property. This is step 9 on 86. And run the tool. Step 10.